experiment is to test how greenhouse gases affect climate. We're testing it 3 different ways. One with a distilled water as the control, carbonated water, seltzer water, and carbon dioxide from baking soda and vinegar. The bottles have been filled. This is just distilled water. This is the carbonated soda water, and this one is the distilled water with carbon dioxide injected into it. Each spark tablet and bottle are labeled accordingly. C for carbon dioxide, DG for distilled water with gas, and D for distilled water. So now I'll shake the bottle with the carbon water to release the carbon dioxide. We'll apply a heat source and see how each one is affected. From these 3 graphs, you can see that the distilled water cooled down the fastest. The second fastest to cool down was the carbonated water, and the fastest one that cooled down was the distilled water with the carbon dioxide gas infused. This goes to show that this is what happens in our atmosphere and how our climate is changing, because even a small amount of carbon dioxide can hold in heat and make the overall climate hotter.
So look at the temperature with that CO2 in there. So it might be an indication that CO2 is a heat trapping, because the infrared, it bounces back and forth between molecules if you go into the physics of it. The worst is methane. If you inject this with that gas there, you don't do that because it's explosive, but you will see that the same thing happens. It absorbs heat a lot.
Doesn't